Thank you, Jonathan. So I'm going to talk to you about dashboards, limited availability. And if we can proceed to the first slide, we look at some of the business challenges where what we really want to focus on with dashboards is how do we enable our contact center managers and supervisors to really keep their finger on the pulse and the health of their contact center in real time. Are we meeting our service level agreements? How many calls are in queue? Do we have enough agents available? And and then can we make this readily available at a glance so that it's easy to understand and easy to configure and share? And so going on to the next slide, this is where we have brought in our dashboards. And so here's an example of a dashboard. You'll see a number of the different types of widgets. The first widget across the top is something that we call a multi-KPI widget. It allows you to have big number KPIs grouped together into a single widget with common filters. So it aids in both tying together metrics that relate all to the same thing, as well as giving you the flexibility of really organizing them. I can have them as a single row, as a single column. I can do a 2x2, a 3x3, a lot of flexibility. Or as you can see on the left side, I can still show these same numbers individually, whether I want to show agent availability, the number of abandons, etc. We also provide the ability to have time series. I can do bar charts, line charts, area charts. As you see a donut, gauge is not shown here. And of course, we have a leaderboard table, which is an auto filtering. And so the rows in this table will automatically scroll depending on the metric that you're using. So if you're sorting on the average talk time, for example, as the talk time between your agents in this example changes, so will the position of the row. So you can always see who's on top or who's on bottom, depending how you want to filter it. And furthermore, with this, we've added the ability to expand out that table and really drill in, so I can see a full screen table, or I can scroll through it and get all the data. All this together really allows your supervisors and managers to focus on the business and not on the dashboard, which is where they should be focused. So in quick recap, at a glance views, we have our KPIs will allow you to show agent and queue stats. You can group them by skill, you can group them by media type, you can group them by queue. This dashboard is responsive and configurable, and best of all, you can create a dashboard and allow others in your contact center to see it.